Hello, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the Quick Create option in Canva that's going to allow you to easily create your social media posts. Let's get started. So right here, we're at the home screen of Canva. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on social media. And you will notice a quick create collection. Now, this is going to be perfect if you don't have a Canva Pro account because this is free and it will create posts for you all at once. For those people that have the Canva Pro version, if you create one social media post, you can always copy and resize. So for the Canva Pro users, you can, absolutely use this, but you also have that other feature. So let's get started. We're going to click on Quick Create Collection. And then at this stage, we want to we'll do an Instagram post, a Facebook post, a Twitter post, and a Pinterest pin. And then you'll notice your options over here on the left panel. So we'll go ahead and we'll click Continue. And right here is where you're going to enter your text. So we're going to do Canva tips and tricks. And I will put that. We'll put that in there, and then you would click on continue. As you can see over here, it's starting to make your posts for you. So let's go ahead and click on continue. Now you can upload your logo. I have done this before and the logo just appears very small to me. So what I am going to do is I'm going to upload my logo, but it's going to put it bigger. Or what you can do is you can browse through your selections here of your photos that you already have uploaded, and you can choose one of those. I think I chose this one last time. And I will go ahead and I'll add my logo, but you'll see it puts it very small. But we'll use it as is and we'll hit continue. And now here you're going to choose your layout. So they give you a bunch of different options in many color schemes, and you just have to go through and pick which kind of vibe you're feeling on what you want to post. I am going to go ahead and choose this one. Then we will hit continue. And this is where you can choose your brand colors. So these are my brand colors, and I can shuffle between them. And I think I like that. And so once you have your design, you can see the Instagram post, the Facebook post, the Pinterest pin, and the Twitter post. Now what you're going to do, what's going to happen is when I click finish, it's going to build them all. And you're going to get a pop-up that says your designs are ready. You can download them as they are right now. But if you click on see my collection, what it actually does is it creates a folder in your projects, and you can go look at them and you'll notice that they're all here. Like I've created some before, and you can open each one. If you want to make some tweaks to it, you can do that. Or if you just want to leave them as they are, let's say you're not ready to post them. One thing that I do when I'm designing my designs in Canva, especially for social media, let's say we'll open this back up. So I have my post here. What I would do is open the notes section. I'm going to put my pin title, my description, any tags. I'm going to have everything ready. If you have the Canva Pro account, you can schedule right from Canva Pro to your social media account. For the free account, you cannot. So you'd have to, you can use Tailwind, you can put it directly in Pinterest, but this allows me to have everything set and ready to go. And then what I will do up here in the name is I will actually put that it's a pin, but I will put the date that I post it. And that just helps me keep track of things that I posted on whatever day I posted it. Plus, also, it's great for repurposing. So you'll notice here you have projects, Canva tips and tricks. So if you go back out to your projects, you'll notice that it created a Canva tips and tricks folder, and that's where you can keep them there. I tend to put things in my own folder. Like I have a folder for Pinterest pins, and like I said earlier, I put the date on it. So that just helps me stay better organized. But this is a really easy way, especially on the free account, to create your posts and have them all ready in one shot. And if you need to, you can go back and tweak them before you download them and upload them into your social media accounts. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you like the video, click on like and subscribe to get notified when more videos are coming out.